The story, a visit to the doctor. My name is Emma. Last week, I was not feeling well. My head hurt, and I had a sore throat. My mom said, "We need to go to the doctor." At the doctor's office, the nurse asked me to sit on a chair. She took my temperature with a thermometer. It was high. Then, she asked me some questions, like, "Do you have a cough, and does your stomach hurt?" I said, "Yes, my throat hurts, and I have a little cough." The doctor came in and said, "Hello, Emma. Let me check your ears, nose, and throat." He used a small light to look inside my mouth and ears. Then, he listened to my heart and lungs with a stethoscope. He asked me to breathe in and out. After checking, the doctor said, "You have a cold. You need to rest and drink lots of water. I will give you some medicine to help you feel better." My mom took me home, and I rested in bed. I took the medicine the doctor gave me. After a few days, I started to feel better. My throat didn't hurt anymore, and my cough went away. Now, I am healthy again. I am happy that I went to the doctor and took care of my body.